Hi, I'm Chris Kimball from the Ooni Experience team. Today, I'm going to show you how to clean the Ooni Koda 16 pizza oven. We recommend using Ooni Pizza Oven gloves to keep your hands and wrists clean to protect them against rough and sharp edges on the inside and outside of your oven. Use a soft cloth to wipe down your Ooni Koda 16 pizza oven. Stay away from steel wool, scouring pads and abrasive dish sponges. Don't use water to clean the inside of your Ooni Koda 16 oven, or it might develop rust spots. Also, never put water on a hot baking stone or it could crack. The inside of the oven doesn't have to be sparkling clean. Signs of use, including soot, colour changes and small marks, are totally normal and part of cooking with fire. Still, a quick once over will help keep your oven in good working order. Before you try anything else, run your Koda 16 at top temperature for 30 minutes. This will burn off any excess flour or food remnants. Let your Koda 16 cool completely before cleaning. To be on the safe side, leave your oven alone for a couple of hours after you finish baking. Then wipe out the inside with a dry cloth. After that, just use your pizza oven brush to remove any excess debris. You can also flip your baking stone over. It's double-sided. Just let your oven cool completely, use two hands to carefully take that stone out, turn it over and slide it back in. You'll be amazed at how much cleaner it looks. To keep gas flowing consistently, clean the outside of your Koda 16 burner tube with a wire brush at least every 3 months. Try not to touch the piezo lighter because it's delicate. Every 10 cooks, give the thermocouple a wipe down with a dry paper towel to remove any soot buildup. When it's cool, wipe down the outside of the Ooni Koda 16 with a damp lint-free cloth to remove any dirt or dust. Get rid of smudges and smear marks on the mouth of the oven and legs with soap and water. When you're done, use a clean cloth or soft towel to dry. And that's it. The next time you have a pizza pile up in your Koda 16, you'll know what to do. If you have any questions, get in touch with the support team at ooni.com. Happy pizza making.